A very good morning to all. Today we are going to start our first poem, Dust of Snow, from First Flight. Dust of Snow, written by Robert Frost. Robert Frost. His full name is Robert Lee Frost, and he is an American poet. Robert Frost was the best loved poet in 20th century, and he was born on 26th March 1874 in San Francisco, California, United States. The Dust of Snow by Robert Frost is a small and simple poem with a deep meaning. It expresses the significance of a small things in changing one's attitude. The poem explains that the little things in life can make huge changes in our future. It also reflects that hard times in the life will lead to the happier times. So we'll move to the explanation of the poem. According to the lines, we'll take the way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. I repeat, the way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Here, dust of snow means particles of snow, and hemlock tree. Hemlock tree is a poisonous white tree with small white flowers. Here in these lines, the poet Robert Frost recounts a small incident that changes his mood. It seems very simple but has a great significance. The poet was once very depressed and hopeless. He was in a state of sorrow and was lost in his thoughts. He was standing under the hemlock tree. Suddenly, a crow that was sitting on the tree shook the tree, and fine particles of snow from the tree fell on the poet. According to the lines, in these four lines, Robert Frost is a nature lover, and the crow and the hemlock tree are associated with bad omens or death, or you can say fear. But Frost has presented them very beautifully. They bring cheer to him and are a source of joy. Through this poem, he conveys a very strong message that everything around us is beautiful. Now we are going to the second stanza. Has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I have rued. Mood, according to the stanza here, mood means a state of mind, and rued, rued means held in regret. So what happened when the soft and cold snow fell on the poet? It changed his mood from the state of sadness to happiness. He started feeling soothed. It means peaceful and refreshed. The simple incident helped him enjoy the remaining part of the day. He thus became happy as it saved his rest of the day from being waste and held in regret. So here, according to the second stanza, when the poet was feeling very depressed and hopeless, he was in a state of sorrow and he was lost in a thoughts. He happened to be standing under a hemlock tree. The incident was not pre-planned. Okay, and the poet was feeling depressed and he was hopeless, so he was not in a good mood and he was standing under a hemlock tree. But when suddenly a crow shook dust of snow on him, this small and simple incident changed his mood, and he realized the fact that he was wasting his time and then decided to enjoy the remaining part of the day. So, according to this poem, Dust of Snow, the poet Robert Frost, through this poem, wants to convey that the little things in life can make huge changes in our life. The simple things we can do make all the difference and brighten a person's day.